দি জুলাই রিভলিউশন। এই প্যারাগ্রাফটি দশম শ্রেণীতে তোমাদের সামনে যে পরীক্ষা বা বিভিন্ন পরীক্ষা আসতে পারে, এই প্যারাগ্রাফটি লিখে কীভাবে 10-এ 10 পাবে তার জন্য প্যারাগ্রাফটি ফুল লিখে আপনাদের জন্য নিয়ে আসলাম। The Quota Reform Movement in 2024, also known as the July Revolution, is a memorable cheat in the history of Bangladesh. Students launched the movement against the existing quota system in government jobs after the High Court verdict led by the anti-discrimination students movement. The student hand the movement thought the Bangla Blog and other programs. The death of student Abu Said and Mr. Mugdo in police firing further fueled the movement, which spread across the country when the government used the police and Satraleju control the situation. It turned into a measure in which many students and ordinary people were killed on the demands of the people. In this movement was the resignation of Sheikh Hasina under increasing pressure and the determination of